Well, good day. I'm trying to see you on video. What is my problem? And the Toyota harness. I have the connector for this blue connector for the USB. I have the connector on the radio, no problem. Antenna, no problem. I have somewhere the USB are passed. I have the GPS connector, no problem. I have the three big connectors for heating and air conditioning. Okay, you see them. They work fine. The three commands work fine. The main connector is okay, and the device switches on or off. It's okay. It's while connected. I have two other connectors. On the harness you sold me. They are connected. This third one of your harness is connected, but I have two Toyota original connectors. This one with 1, 2, 3, 4 with 8 pins. And this one bigger, around twice bigger, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 pins. Okay. For these two connectors, I cannot find a place on the back of the Android device. I have, of course, one more connector place, but it's not a problem. I think it was for the DVD of the original factory radio, and I don't have DVD of the Android device, so it's not a problem. So the result is, on the Android device, sorry, it's a little bit difficult. I'm a fat man and I don't have a big place. Hello, you can see me on the screen. This okay. This okay. This okay. This okay. This okay. This not okay. This not okay. This not okay. This not okay. And the holes for the mic, don't know. I have tried a phone call, but I had plugged the other wiring for mic. I received. I could listen the other person, but he could not listen me. But maybe because I had plugged the external mic. Sorry. I had plugged this one, and maybe it cuts off the other one. I don't know. And I don't know what is the little hose with RST, I suppose that is a reset, but I did not touch it. So I will send you this video. I fear something else. You see, this harness and this harness, this electronic harness, I have dismantled the block. I have verified they are well connected. The main of this block is well connected because the function works. So I fear that maybe this part or this part maybe could be bad. I don't know. But on the back of your device, I cannot find any correspondence for the two Toyota connectors I have. So I hope you see. I will take a new picture of those both connectors. The small one with one. It's difficult to see my goggles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but 10 contacts, and the little bit bigger with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 contacts. You see the size with my finger. This is the big, and this is the small. And so they are both together. It's difficult in the car. So they are both together. I cannot find where to connect them. My steering wheel's commands do not work, and the 4 lights and commands on the face on each side, here, left of the screen, here, right of the screen. All that does not work. So I hope your engineer will find a solution. I hope in you, and I hope in him. I trust in you and him. And I wish you a fine weekend, and I will show you my face. I try. No, it's making, I don't know, it makes photos, not changing. Well, I hope you will see like this. Hello, I hope you can see me. I wish you a fine weekend, and I thank you for your help. I hope it's okay.